Welcome to our website about data analysis and probability for 6th graders. The purpose of this video is to show you how to navigate the website. We begin on the home page where you can find the purpose of the lesson. The question is, why should we learn about data analysis and probability? Well, it is important because data is a part of everything that we do. The decisions we make every day are based upon data. Continuing toward the bottom of the page, you'll find a section called Meet the Creators. Here you will find a picture of myself, Brittany, and Nick. At the very bottom of the page, you will find additional educational resources that will help you to see the larger picture of the lesson covered today. Next, we will travel to the upper right-hand portion of the website and locate the Menu tab. The Menu tab will be used to navigate all other portions of the website. Let's check out the first page titled Standards and Objectives. This page describes the Florida Best Standards for the lesson and the corresponding learning goals. There is one main standard, and it is as follows. Develop an understanding of statistics and determine measures of center and measures of variability. Summarize statistical distributions graphically and numerically. There are 6 substandards for this lesson. Next, be sure to check out the learning objectives. These are procedures and content that you will be responsible for by the end of the lesson. Next, let's explore the vocabulary page. This page contains all of the key terms that you will be responsible for in the lesson. Click each term to see its definition. Be sure to be comfortable with all of these terms before you begin the lesson. Next, we will explore the background knowledge page. This section describes the information that a student should be able to recall before new instruction begins, the most important of which is the final video, which talks about the mean, median, mode, and range. This is a very large part of today's lesson. Now that you are comfortable with the background knowledge, you're ready to begin the actual lesson itself. This lesson is broken down into 6 different parts. Part 1 discusses measures of center. Part 2 discusses measures of variability. Part 3 discusses the shape of a distribution, which includes information about any gaps, clusters, symmetry, or skewedness. The 4th part of the lesson discusses outliers and which statistics they impact. Then we put steps, or parts, 1, 2, 3, and 4 together. To talk about the distribution, you would include information about the center, the spread, and the shape of the distribution, followed by any outliers. The final part of the lesson discusses graphical representations in which you will be responsible for understanding and creating. The first of which is a histogram, followed by a box plot, followed by a line plot. At the very bottom of the page, you will find 2 different buttons for self-practice that will help you to affirm your knowledge of the lesson today. After you've checked out the lesson, be sure to look at the Resources and Tools page. This page was designed to make your life easier. The resources below reiterate the lesson, and the tools at the bottom will help you to either graph online, make a histogram, or make a box plot. For more practice, check out the Real Worlds Applications page. Try each world application on your own and click the Answer tab to reveal the solution. Also be sure to check out the Strategies for Success page. This page includes helpful strategies for studying and for test taking. Next, use the Self-Evaluation tab to take quizzes. We have provided 3 quizzes for you that help to test your knowledge of the lesson. Each quiz has been organized by content and will provide you feedback in real time. If you are a teacher who is interested in finding a lesson plan for data analysis and probability, check out the lesson plan page. Here you will find a lesson plan that touches on the standards that we mentioned, and also be sure to check out the assessments and attachments at the bottom of the page. They are written in blue. Finally, it's a good idea before your unit test comes to check out the assessment page. Here we have provided you a practice exam complete with an answer key. Finally, I would like to mention our mission. Our mission is to show each and every student that there is a place for you in mathematics. There is more than enough room for everyone. We also want to emphasize that a statistician does not have a particular look. They look like you and me. At the very bottom of the page, you'll find a brief history of some important statisticians. Thank you for exploring our page, and we hope that this helped you to better understand data analysis and probability for 6th graders.